Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy TK, and today I'm here with a little modding tutorial. This is gonna be like super basic, and really the point of this video is just to help everyone sort of get like a little understanding on how to mod. By the end of this video, you should know how to create your own ship and test it. That's basically the point of this whole video. So we're not going to be doing anything too advanced here for this tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys literally like the most basic thing when it comes to modding, and that is creating your own ship and then testing it like in game. So as we can see here, we have the Delta Fighter, and we're going to be using this as an example for our little tutorial that we're going to be doing today. So what you want to do is literally you could pick any ship from here. All you do is you go to load ship, and literally you could pick any one of these ships to start modding. For this example, we're gonna use the Delta Fighter. So I'm not going to show you guys how to use any of these things right here. I mean, to be honest, a lot of these things are actually really simple. Like here is where it says wings. These controls here obviously control the wings. Cockpit, bodies, this obviously controls, you know, the body of the ship. Shield, that controls the shield. Generator, that's the power. You know, ship, you know, a lot of this stuff is actually really easy to figure out. Laser, this has to do with like the ship's like lasers that it fires, you know, rate, damage, type, you know, speed. So this actually isn't too hard to figure out, and for this tutorial we're just gonna assume that you already know how to use this, but it's not too hard to figure out. You know, just trial and error, guys. You know, just play with the little numbers here. Just start, you know, fiddling around with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a little test ship. Alright, so I've literally changed only like two things in the code right here, and now we have this ship. And for the sake of this example of this tutorial here, we're just going to assume that this is our ship that we want to test. You know, you've spent hours working on this ship, you're really proud of it, and now you want to test it in game to see how it goes like on the playing field. So what you want to do is you want to go to export mod, and you want to copy and paste this code, but you don't want to copy and paste it just yet. You could highlight it, right, you know, just for now. And what you want to do is you want to go to this template that I've created for you guys. And again, the links to all of these websites will be in the description. You know, ship editor, modding, the link to this Google Docs thing that I've created for you guys. All of this stuff will be in the description for you guys. And I would definitely recommend bookmarking ship editor, this template, and the modding if you haven't already. So what you want to do is copy and paste this. I've already copied and pasted it in here, but we're just gonna do it again. And you want to just copy and paste this in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a space between there just because I feel like it. And now you want to copy and paste this, and where it says your ship link, this is what it's talking about. You want to highlight that part and then paste that into there. There are three main things that you really only need to know to navigate through this. One, that's the part right here where we just put your ship link. It's this is the first thing you need to know. The next thing is this part right here, and the final thing is this little number right here. So you've copied and pasted your number, your little ship code into here. Now you want to move on to the name of the ship, and literally if you want to take a shortcut, you can just highlight the name of your ship and then the number that comes after it, and then you just copy and paste that into here. A lot of this is just copy and paste, guys. You know, it's actually really simple. Pay attention to the number that comes after your ship. The number that comes after your ship will change depending on what level your ship is. So for this case, it's level 2. So the number of this ship obviously starts with a 2, and then after it there's a 1. So it's really simple. And then the next part that you want to remember is this is probably the most important part. If you want to test your ship, you know, when you hit run mod, this is the number that determines what ship you start off as. So whatever the number is here and here, that's the same number you want it to be here. So in this case it's 201. So let's put that in there, 201. And now we have successfully done this little code here. You know, it's finished. Now we're ready to hit run mod, and you just click this link, open it in a new tab. And boom, you're testing your ship. Oh wow, look at that, guys. You know, you worked hard on your ship. Now you're actually testing it in game. I mean, how exciting is that? I mean, I don't know, guys. Like, now you can create, well, actually that was pretty stupid what I did. Maybe I made the ship a little too weak. Or maybe the asteroid's too strong or something. But the point is, you know, you've successfully created and tested your own ship. Now you can create any ship you want and test any ship that you want. So like I said, this is just a little basic, literally the most basic of tutorials. I just thought that it would be nice to give people, you know, just a short and simple, you know, just tutorial on how to do this. So look at this, guys. I mean, you've done it. I mean, you've created your own ship. You're testing it in game. I mean, I don't know how it can get any better than that. I may make another tutorial, basically trying to explain all this little codes and doodads right here. But I think that'll have to wait for another video. I mean, it's really not important for this video. I mean, like I said, guys, it's really easy to figure out. Just play with the numbers right here. I'm sure you really don't need my help. And something else I need to mention also, I'm actually not that experienced with modding either. I just know how to do this. This is pretty much as far as my knowledge on modding goes. So have fun creating your own ships, guys. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I really just wanted to make something short and simple that, you know, everyone could understand. I have taken the liberty of creating a little template for you guys, you know, that I thought was as simple as possible. You know, you got your link here, your ship's code, you get the name of your ship, and something else I need to mention also, there has to be underscores in between, like, the spaces of your name. There always needs to be underscores if there are any spaces. You know, the little zeros right here, that's obviously the number that you're supposed to put, and again, the little zeros right here, the number of whatever the ship is supposed to be. And literally that's all you need to know for this template right here is this number, this part, and this part, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like or a comment if you think there's any way I can improve on anything I said here. And yeah, feel free to leave some tips and tricks that you'd like to share with everyone in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.